of lockdown by the government is indeed a good decision for the current situation, because it would help improve the economic condition of the society as well as bring employment opportunities to the poor and daily wage workers. Under the ill circumstances, lots of precious lives were at loss and no social gatherings or events would take place. Thus, Unlock 1.0 helped the mental health and well-being of the community.
As per the business scale, until March 2020, our economy was moving into recovery. After the implementation of lockdown, our economy started moving to recession. In order to avoid depression, the upliftment of lockdown will be one of the choice to recover our economy.
The number of COVID-19 cases are increasing rapidly throughout the entire nation. Plus, we are in shortage of medical assistance and medical equipment to serve all the people of all the ages. As far as the economy is concerned, there's a lot of inflation being created because a lot of people are losing their jobs.
For boosting the economy, we need people to work so that the transactions can happen. When the transactions happen, economy boosts automatically. But simultaneously, even the people get their salaries and wages. When they get their salaries and wages, it will be helpful for their livelihood.
The lockdown has affected lot of poor and low-income group of the society.
Daily wages employees, as we know, so many lost their jobs and it directly hits on their bread and butter. And the second thing is farmers. We have many examples. So farmers set fire to their farms.
I didn't feel that has to extend for such a long period of time, because there are a lot of people who are undergoing a lot of economic crisis, and there's a huge amount of people who come below the poverty line. So I feel that I don't say there should be a complete upliftment of the lockdown, but at least a staggered exit.
Most of the people were suffering without shelter and food during the lockdown, but now because of the upliftment, they can move freely to their hometown.
The problem faced in the agriculture sector by the lockdown is fleeing of the farmers to their hometown due to the fear of COVID-19. Our food production also mainly depends on availability of human resources, farm inputs and free movement of production. And all these are restricted due to the time of lockdown. These problems will lead to weak food production and high food price inflation.
Since the people are being locked up in their houses, they are not able to socialize. Hence, it leads to depression, anxiety and panic attack. As the prices of alcohol and cigarettes are being hiked, they are not able to afford, where it leads to physical and mental health unstable.
What was the motive of imposing lockdown? It was to flatten the curve, reduce the number of active cases, and contain virus. Was that achieved? No. What was the basis of uplifting lockdown when none of the motive was met? It only increased the chances of spreading the virus.
India, with its population, cultural vastity, economic structure, demands movements even in times of such pandemic. So, lockdown and a strict adherence to it might stop the coronavirus adversity.
We all know that the number of corona cases have been increasing at a rapid rate in India, and also India is now at the third position worldwide to have most number of corona cases.
One question that we can ask ourselves is, are we capable of fighting a second wave? Is it really worth lifting the lockdown with all these risks that entail it?
People who are affected by it are not able to get a proper treatment for it, and it's costing a fortune for them to get it treated. For me, I think human life is more important than our economy.
One can survive with hunger for 4 to 5 days. But if the disease attacks, then there is no chance of surviving at all. Life is being more important than being hunger for few days. And yes, if we inform the government, they would certainly provide us the basic necessities.
As an individual, I feel I'm safe and secure because of this lockdown. Since I don't have college or anything, there's no need for me to go out of the home. So I'm just staying away from the people. I have no interaction with the people who are already affected by the virus.
It's better to stay indoor for a few months and enjoy your work, enjoy your day as usual. Because once the life is gone, it's never going to come back. We can earn money later too, but once we get infected by the virus, it's very hard to get through it.
Hospital beds and ventilators to doctors and diagnostics, there's no doubt that India is completely unprepared if coronavirus cases keep rising. Fortunately, the data indicates developing countries has an edge over the developed ones. The only requirement is to live with the virus while developing the required infrastructure.